Hello friends, in this video we will learn about chocolate distribution problem program. Our task is given an array A of positive integers of size n, where each value represents number of chocolates in a packet. Each packet can have variable number of chocolates. There are m students. The task is to distribute chocolate packets such that first one, each student gets one packet. Second one, the difference between the number of chocolates given to the student having packet with maximum chocolates and student having packet with minimum chocolates is minimum. Input output, I will explain with example. Here is the example. Input. First one is the number of test cases. In every test case, we take the three lines. First line is the number of packets. In every second line is the details of chocolates in every packet. Third line is the number of students. Same way remain test cases. See this output 6 and 2. Take this first test case to get the idea about output. See in this, make this to solve this task. First sort these values. Then those values are 1, 3, 4, 7, 9, 9, 12, 56. Then after take the subarray with elements 5, that is 1, 3, 4, 7, 9. Then take the minimum maximum chocolates difference. 9 minus 1 is 8. 8 is there. Then after remove the 1, add this 9. Then the subarray is 3, 4, 7, 9, 9. Maximum one is 9. 9 minus 3 is 9 chocolates minus 3 chocolates are 6. Compared to the previous one, 6 is a less than the 8. Then take the 6. Then check the next one. Remove the 3. Add the 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. That is greater than the 6. So don't take. Then remove the 4. Add the 56. To compare the difference, 56 chocolates minus 7 chocolates are 49. So 6 is a less than 49. That's why 6 is the output. To solve this task, here is our code. In this code, initially I am using these functions. This is the function is the synchronization with the standard C++ streams with related standard C streams, because there is the synchronization is required to get the program, but it is happen before the input and output. It takes a much more time. To reduce that, we make it false. Then this one, this cint I null, passing the null value, because there are the large value iterations are there. To make them fast, this will be helpful. See this, the values are larger, 10 power 18, like that. Then comes to the code. See, for test cases using t variable, take the value of t. For all test cases using while loop with t minus minus. In that, for number of packets using n variable, take the value. See this, array element size are 10 power 18. For that reason, using long int array A with size n, take those values. Then for number of students using m variable, take the m value. To solve this task, I am using a function chocolate distribution. In this, passing three parameters. One is number of elements, number of packets. Another one is array A. Third one is student, number of students m. See this is a function chocolate distribution. in this first sort array with sort function, sort method. To use sort, this header file is required, passing two values a comma a plus n. Then take this first test case, already we discussed. See that sort values 1, 3, 4, 7, 9, 9, 12, 56. Take the c value equal to a of m minus 1 minus a of 0. A of m minus 1 is, m value is 5. A of 4 minus a of 0. 9 minus 1 is 8. C value initially 8. Then traveling starts from the m onwards. I value equal to m equals m. If check C is greater than a of I is 9 minus a of I minus m plus 1 is a of 1 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 greater than 6 is true. Then C equal to a of I minus m plus 1, that is 6. C value 6 now. Then I increments. I value is 6. See this, 6 is the, a of 6 is the 12. 12 minus a of 2 is 4, it is 8. 6 greater than 8 is false. This block not execute. I increments. I value is 7 now. 7 less than 8 is true. C is 6 greater than 56 minus 7, 49. 6 greater than 49 is false. This block not execute. I value increments. 8 less than 8 is false. Then for loop stops execution. It returns the C, nothing but 6. See, our code is right or not, click compile test. Expected output, our output is same. Then submit. Yes, correct answer with the execution time 0.49. Happy to see you. Thanks for watching.